In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off the auto rotate feature on any Samsung tablet. Now, to turn on the auto rotate feature, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And after you open the control center, just look for the option which either says landscape or portrait. After you find the button, just tap on it and you will enable the auto rotate feature, just like that. But if you cannot find that button in the control center, then just tap on the edit button and select edit. From here, under the available buttons section, just swipe to the left side and look for the option of portrait or landscape. After you find the button, then just tap on it to add it to the control center. Now just select done. And after you do that, you will add the auto rotate button to the control center. Now just tap on it to enable auto rotate, just like that. But if you want to turn off auto rotate on your tablet, just open the control center and look for the option of auto rotate. And after you find the button, just tap on it and it will shift from auto rotate to landscape, or if your tablet is on portrait mode, it will say portrait after you turn off auto rotate, just like that. And this is how you can turn on and turn off the auto rotate feature on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.